Dig, dig, Dusty, count to 10. Count them up and count again. Look up high and look down low. Numbers, numbers, here we go. Hi, friends. Remember our 3 little seeds? They grew into 3 tall sunflowers. Today, Dusty wants to count even higher, all the way to 10. Look, 4 red apples on the apple tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 juicy apples. And here are 5 happy flowers, all in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you say 5? 5. Dig, dig, Dusty, count to 10. Count them up and count again. Look up high and look down low. Numbers, numbers, here we go. 6 little butterflies came fluttering by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 butterfly friends. Dusty counted 7 stepping stones on the path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. Hop, hop, hop. Dig, dig, Dusty, count to 10. Count them up and count again. Look up high and look down low. Numbers, numbers, here we go. 8 bouncy balloons floated up into the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. 9 round berries on the berry bush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yummy berries. And here's the big one. 10. 10 little seeds, all in a row. 8, 9, 10. We counted to 10. From 1 little seed to 10, Dusty counted all day long. Numbers are everywhere, friends. What else can you count? Dig, dig, Dusty, count to 10. Count them up and count again. Look up high and look down low. Numbers, numbers, here we go. 10 happy seeds tucked in the ground. One day they'll grow big and tall, just like our sunflowers. Counting is like climbing a ladder, said Dusty. 1 step at a time. Up, up, up you go. Let's count super fast, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing! You did it! 1, 2, 3, hooray, hooray! You counted all the way to 10 today. Give yourself a great big clap, friends. But wait, Dusty heard the birds singing something new. A, B, C. What could that mean? That's a story for next time. If you had fun counting to 10 with Dusty, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more number adventures. The 10 little seeds are tucked in their cozy beds. The counting is done, and it's time to rest. See you next time. Bye-bye.